Okay, and we just got into a battle again. We are fighting the Macavian, some lord there, and we are okay. You are 135 against 250. This will be, damn it! I think we lose this one. But anyway, let's just charge in and die in battle. I have and I have this. I'm now an archer also. This is pretty cool, and I have this tiger suit on here, and we will not give up even though we are outnumbered. I think we also chose this war, and sometimes when we do that we probably have the advantage, but let's let's just shoot at them. You can see I'm still wounded. I don't know, I don't hope I will be shot again, because then it's not so good. I also set it to show, now it shows our casualties, so as you can see there. Sorry guys. My crossbow has improved. Perhaps I hit something. Okay, what's going on? I think they are getting shot at. I will stand here in the back, that's probably better. These archers, they are pretty overpowered. You need to be very careful. I don't know if I'm hitting anything. I just fire all this shit away and then we see. Come on guys, you can do it. You can do it. I trust in you. Okay, we got someone there. That's very good guys. Okay, I will actually go in here because then it's more feel like I'm part of the war. So let's stand in here. Okay guys, how is it going? Let's shoot towards these horses. I hate them. Hey, don't stand in front of me, man. That's not smart. I don't know if I can shoot my own. Let's just do it. I don't think I need to do it. I'm sorry, man. Sorry. It was an accident. I swear. Can you forgive me in any way? So I guess you can shoot at your own. Okay, we're in one last shot and then we go attack. Yeah. Okay, guys, let's go. Oh, and perhaps this horse. No, the horse died. That's an enemy. He died. I will still stay a bit behind because I'm. Oh man, he just smashed my shield. Oh, Jesus Christ. That guy is not for fun. He just takes an arrow to the chest and he doesn't care. But now he cares. Okay. That was a hard guy, that one. But it looks like we are winning. It looks like it. Perhaps we are. I will see you guys. There's. It will be a close war, but I see you guys at the end. Okay. Sad news. The enemy lord here, he won the battle against us, and he took us as prisoners, and he's just I'm just been released here. As you can see, I'm standing here. Okay, I got to back to Lysepe, and I stumbled upon this Count Tolarinius, something, and I cannot find the other lord, so I will just try to enlist in this guy's army and see if I keep my rank or what I'm doing. So it seems fair, blah blah blah. Yes, cool. And we will see in the first battle what rank I have. I hope you keep the rank, else it's a bit. It's not. Then it's kind of hard to level as this footman. But see you guys in the first battle. Okay, so we are now in the first war with my new lord, and we are pretty many against not so many. So this should be easy peasy. And it looks like. Whoops. I don't know, I accidentally pressed the tab button. It looks like it's no, it's not. I don't know if I'm level 1 again or what I am, but let's just see. Let's run with these guys. And they're up there on the hill. Let's just charge them, guys. I think that's a good idea. and they're shooting towards us. Cannot see. This is very, it's kind of neat to stand here as one of the crew. Oh, whoops. Sorry guys, I misclicked there. Okay, these guys look heavy. They're not for fun. And I'm just this noob running around with them. That's pretty cool. Okay guys, what's the plan here? What's the plan? And we have many riders also. If this was my army, I would just set them to attack, but let's see what happens. Better get the shield up. And also the graphic in this game is actually very, I like it very much. It looks very good. I set the graphic down a bit because else my computer cannot handle all these men and grass and stuff. So I can actually shoot this idiot up here. Ah, damn it! I must improve. Let's see if I can. Okay. They are coming here. Whoa, that hurts. Okay, I died again, guys. I died again, damn it. Let's see what happens. Of course we will win this war, but let's see you guys in the next one. Okay, we are fighting again. This Lord's army, and I'm a part of this unit here with melee soldiers in. And I cannot see anything of what's going on. Where are the enemies? Oh, to the left there are some enemies. Okay, I will get up behind here. And I like the flag these guys are having. This beautiful woman. That's kind of cool. I think the green guys. That's the green flag. That's my lord, and the others must be some we are fighting with. Oh no! No! Let me in, guys. I don't want to be the one in the front because then I will be shot. Oh no! We have a man down. Man down. I cannot see anything, but I think we are charging now. Okay, guys, let's go. Charging into war with all these cool guys. I'm actually one of the worst on this team, but never mind that. Still fine. I also have a arrow into my shoulder. Oh, okay, stand still, stand still. I was hit by an arrow, and luckily it's only into my shoulder. So I would probably have been dead. That's good. Yeah, okay. Is that? Okay, that's the enemy is right here. Oh no! Oh no! Here I'm lying, and now I disappeared. Only the memory of me will live on. I did my best, the best I could. This crazy war. Okay, guys. To sum it up, I have been in 3 different armies because the Lord have been. Not killed, but wounded and captured, and I have been set free, and I enlisted in a new army. And apparently it remembers your rank, because first I was normal Tolarian footman. That was my first rank I got, so it remembers that, and now I have the choice here in the 3rd army to choose. Will I go the Tolarian veteran footman, or will I take the Tolarian bowman? And I'm really not sure here. I mean, I would like to try the Tolarian bowman, but it's not my playstyle. I mean, I'm more the kind of guy that's run into battle and either get slaughtered or slaughter a lot of enemies. So I think I will take the veteran footman. But it's actually cool that it remembers my rank. So you can just every time your lord gets slaughtered, you just enlist in a new army. So you doesn't have to care too much about him. It remembers. So that's kind of cool. And I think if I look in my inventory, I have gotten, no, I'm not sure. Yeah, you can see here I have my code here. So now I'm actually one of the cool guys. That's pretty neat. So I will see you guys in the next war, and let's see how it how it goes out